Hi, my name is Felipe, a sales engineer at Insightly, and today I'm going to be showing the Docusign integration that we have put together with our AppConnect system. The purpose of this integration is to be able to automate both the creation and delivery of quotes directly to your clients through Docusign, as well as receive their updates on the status. I have a few things open right here, and I'll be flipping through some of the tabs to show functionality. I have the Insightly CRM page, I have my email, and also I'll be showing what we call recipes. So these are the integrations that I've set up with AppConnect. I'll start here at the Insightly quote page. I've already created this quote. You can see that there's some information in here. So we have the opportunity name, the organization name, but quite importantly, we have the contact name and the quote email directly within this object. If I go into the related section, we can see that I also have the different quote products. So we have the quantity, the sale price within this quote object. So what I would want to do at this point is I can simply click to create quote PDF, and that's the first thing I want to do. I can select a template, this. I'll just save that quickly in my computer. And once that shows up, I'll click this to see it. So what we can see here is the Insightly sales quote that I prepared. Some of the information has already been pulled in. So for example, the name of the contact, the billing address, the prepare date, expiration date, and also all of the line items that we had within that quote. Going down, we can also pull in things like the organization name. We're adding the total here. But the idea would be that the person could simply go through and check to make sure that everything within here is good to go. Now that I've saved my quote, I can simply go up here and press this button. The system is now telling me that the record was sent successfully, so I can just close here. It can take around half a minute to send and get the information from Docusign, but if I refresh this page and scroll down to the bottom, we can see that we have some information that's been populated here. So that's things like the envelope ID, the URL to that document that we just sent, and also the status and the last updated time. So we can see at this point the status of the envelope that has been sent by Docusign. That being said, we can go here and refresh my email, and we can see that we have our new email of that Docusign document that was sent. By clicking here, I can simply open Docusign, agree to these, continue, and it's the exact same code that I showed earlier, just ready to be signed. Now in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to sign it yet. Going back to Insightly, I can click this and again do another refresh. You can see that that new envelope status has now been delivered. So now I can go back into Docusign, add my signature. As you can see, the information is being pulled in already, so that's the name of the contact. I can click this finish button. Let's say I don't need to download it. And if I go back to Insightly, we can see that that envelope status has now been completed. And just to see also what's under the hood, we can go to the recipes that I built within AppConnect. So this is what a recipe would look like. We would generally have a trigger and a few actions. So in this case, you can see the trigger is a custom button within Insightly, and then it does a bit of things before it sends over to the information through Docusign. So this is the recipe that will be sending the information to Docusign, and this here is the recipe that will be receiving the status updates from Docusign and putting them in Insightly. So as you can see, the recipes are quite simple and straightforward. So that was a quick run through on the capabilities that we have with Insightly and AppConnect to be able to automate your current manual processes and to connect the apps that you're currently using. If you have any questions about connecting your apps or sending out quotes, feel free to reach out to our sales team.